Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how easily it is for you to change the font size, the zoom factor, so then things appear bigger to you, easier to read. This is something I've done for numerous clients and even my own parents. Luckily with Windows we have a built-in setting for this, so we don't have to go around messing with individual applications. We can do it system-wide. How do we do it? It's very simple. First, you right-click somewhere on a blank area of your desktop, and it will bring up the context menu that you see. You just click on Display Settings. It'll bring up the right menu. You just come here and you change it to the percentage you want. So let's go up to 150. And as you can see, everything instantaneously got bigger, including your desktop items. So if we scale this down 175, things got bigger, and this got slightly bigger as well. If we bring it back down at any time you have a problem, you can bring it back down to 100%, and now you're back at 100%. In general, this works quite well. Be careful how much you zoom in. It can affect what you can see and necessitate, as you can see, scrolling and things like that, whereas if you had left it at the default, there was no scrolling. So just be aware when you're zooming in like that, it is going to impact especially scroll bars. You're going to need to scroll various items, menus, programs more than if it was at the default 100%. But there's nothing wrong with using these scale percentages, and it makes it easier for you to be able to use your computer. And that's it. There's no save settings. There's nothing like that. You just make the change. It's automatically set in place and it is stored. So if you restart your computer, you should be restarting at the zoom you selected. So it's as simple as that. You just right click, display settings, and change the value. As always, thank you for spending a couple minutes of your day with me. And if you wouldn't mind, like, share, subscribe, drop me a comment below. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.